Okay, today I'm going to show you three simple things that you can do to your website. That's going to give some incredible results, and they're very easy to set them up. Before starting, I want to show you that this particular website uses only one template, so everything is done with one template. So really quickly, before showing you how to do things, let's check out the website. It's a website, a template generated by Artisteer. We got a header section, which has a control ID. And we also, I set up a control ID in there. The control IDs are available only for Artisteer 4.1 versions. So if you have earlier versions of Artisteer, time to upgrade, I guess. Okay, so I'm using blocks to do that. So it's dynamic, and I can change the content per page. I've got a dynamic logo, which it's going to stay on with the responsive layouts. Okay, and it is. I can click on it, and it's gonna take me to my home page. It's linkable. All right. The second thing that I did is using the page blocks again, and I'm putting content above the page content and above the sidebars, like this. Okay. So it almost acts as a header, but because I'm using the page blocks, it's going to be dynamic. So I can have different headers decided on a per page basis. Okay, so let me show you now how to set up those things. Let's start with the logo, because that's the easiest one. If you open your template in QuickerSite, you're going to find the constant site name for the logo, and that basically it's going to be in text the name of the site that you put in the general setup field. So I'm using a constant instead, so change the site name to logo. And obviously, and before showing you the constant logo, in here by default it's going to be a number sign. That means the link is gonna take you nowhere. So change that to default.asp. So if you click on the logo, or on the site name if you don't change the logo, on the text, it's gonna take you to the default.asp page, which is always the home page in QuickerSite. Alright, so let's go to the logo, the constant, and basically make sure it's in HTML, so you don't have to do the coding yourself. And basically put your picture, your logo in there. And because we're dealing with responsive designs nowadays, make sure to unlock the ratio, okay? Have the height field empty, and as a width use 100%. And that's all it takes. You save it, and it's going to be present in every single layout. Okay, the control IDs. Once you put the control IDs in your template, the facilities of it's going to be present in your template, but nothing will be displayed. So let me find it really quickly. There it is. So this is the line that is added by Artisteer, and the only thing that I did, I added the page block 6 constant over here. So now it's going to give me the ability to, on per page basis, to add anything I want in the header at that position. And of course, I can change the placement of it over here by changing the 99.11% to anything I want. I guess I need to go into the style.responsive.css layout, so I can center it, or I can put it anywhere I want, control it better in the responsive layout. But for the time being, I'm gonna leave it alone. The third thing, this part over here, that I can put content above the page content and above the sidebar over here. So I can have some sort of a dynamic header, if you will, although it's not really a header. The header is over here. So that again, it's very simple to do. After the header statement, when it's done, you're gonna see the first class statement, this over here, okay? And all I did was add another page block right after it, right over there. And of course, my default page block 8, I left it empty, okay? So if I don't use it on a particular page, you're not gonna get anything, okay? It's gonna be like a regular page, as if that thing never existed. But if I go to a page and on page block 8 and put a static image, a slideshow, or anything I want, it's going to show up, okay? So those are 3 easy things that you can improve your site.